Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, today we stand together as one nation, under one flag, celebrating 77 years of freedom, unity, and the indomitable spirit of India. Happy Independence Day! On this glorious day, we remember the countless brave souls who fought tirelessly, who sacrificed their lives, and who dreamed of an India that was free, strong, and sovereign. Their courage, their determination, and their unyielding love for our motherland have brought us to this day. Let us take a moment to honor their memory and pledge to uphold the values for which they stood so bravely. India, our beloved motherland, is not just a country, it is an idea, a vision of unity in diversity, of strength in our differences, and of progress rooted in our rich heritage. From the snow-capped Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches in the south, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the lush forests of the northeast, India's beauty lies in its incredible diversity. Today, as we hoist our tricolor high, let us remember that this flag is more than just cloth. It is a symbol of our collective strength, our shared dreams, and our unwavering belief in freedom and democracy. The saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, the white for peace and truth, and the green for faith and fertility. And the Ashoka Chakra in the center? It reminds us that life is in motion, that we must always move forward, that we must always strive for progress. But friends, freedom is not just about breaking the chains of colonial rule. It's about breaking every chain that holds us back: poverty, illiteracy, inequality, and corruption. It's about empowering every citizen, giving them the right to live with dignity, to dream, and to achieve. We have come a long way, but the journey is far from over. As we celebrate today, let us ask ourselves, what kind of India do we want to build for future generations? Let it be an India where every child gets an education, where every citizen has access to quality healthcare, where women walk freely and safely on every street, and where opportunities are available to all, regardless of caste, creed, or gender. Let us build an India that leads the world in science and technology, an India that contributes to global peace and prosperity, and an India that is a beacon of hope for all. The world is watching us, and we have the potential, the talent, and the spirit to achieve greatness. Today, I urge each one of you to renew your commitment to this great nation. Let us work together to make India stronger, more prosperous, and more united than ever before. Let us be the change we wish to see in the world. Let us be the torchbearers of a new India, an India that stands tall and proud on the world stage. In the words of our beloved Mahatma Gandhi, the future depends on what we do in the present. So, let us seize this moment, let us make this day count, and let us move forward with courage, with determination, and with love for our country in our hearts. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.